The Kärcher SC3 Easy Fix Steam Cleaner is an efficient tool for chemical-free cleaning that eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses on hard surfaces. With a rapid heat-up time of 40 seconds, the SC3 delivers powerful steam over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for deep cleaning without harsh chemicals. The device is equipped with a versatile accessory pack and two-stage steam regulation, allowing you to adapt the steam intensity to different surfaces like grout, tiles, and countertops. It features a continuous steam supply and an innovative descaling cartridge, enabling the use of tap water while prolonging the cleaner's lifespan. The Kärcher SC3's floor nozzle utilizes Lamella technology for even steam distribution, ensuring efficient and comprehensive cleaning of various floor types. Its microfiber cloths can be easily attached and removed with a hook and loop system, are machine washable and reusable, promoting sustainability.